In this quick bite, I'll show you how to separate eggs. It's pretty simple, but you would be surprised how many people are afraid to do it or they don't know how to do it. There are also gadgets and gizmos in the store to help you do it. There's like these little cups. You crack an egg in it and it's, come on. That's right up there with the hamburger patty shaper and the banana slicer. You do not need these things. You need your eggs, 3 bowls, and that's it. Now, some people are the crack an egg on the side of the dish people, which is fine. And they separate them by doing the back and forth, back and forth. But there's a problem with this method. Eggshells are sharp and they can cut your egg and you're going to end up with a lot of yolk in your white. And that ain't no yolk, my friends. So that's not how I do it. And the way I do it, people be like, ew, but it's very effective. You put it in your hand and give it a little jiggle and the yolk separates beautifully from the white. And there you have it. Eggs are easier to separate when they are cold. But when you use them, they must be at room temperature. Come on. Oh, and why the 3 bowls? Well, I'm actually breaking my own rule. You're supposed to crack You're supposed to crack the egg over a bowl that is neither the whites nor the yolks in case you have a little accident. But I've been doing this for a while, so I don't actually do that in practice. And there you have your separated eggs, your yolks, your whites. Now, what am I going to do with these eggs now that I've separated them? I recently posted a video for citrus chiffon dessert, and I've been getting a lot of questions about the lemon curd that is used as one of the ingredients of that recipe. So in my next video, I'm going to use the yolks to make the lemon curd, and if you don't want to miss it, you should probably hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notifications. And with the whites, well, you're just going to have to wait and see.